Hi, I'm Marco from iDoc. In this video we show you how to replace the battery of your OnePlus 6 if, for example, the battery does not last long anymore. The repair is a bit more difficult because the back cover is strongly glued. You need about 60 minutes. For the repair we recommend the following tools: several picks, a suction cup, ESD tweezers and a plastic spudger. You will also need a hot air gun or alternatively an ordinary hairdryer to loosen heavily glued parts. We recommend a flexible, thin plastic tool, such as the iPlastics, to loosen the back cover. The spare part can be found under the video and the most important tool can be found in our repair kit. On our website idoc.eu you can find this guide with detailed photos and videos for each step. If you have any questions, just use the comment function. And now have fun with the repair.
Und jetzt viel Spaß bei der Reparatur.
Turn off your device completely to protect it from short-circuit damage during repair. Compared to previous models, the OnePlus 6 has a glued glass back cover. The back cover of our device has also been damaged. Nevertheless, we try to leave it intact and not to damage it any further. First, heat the back cover with hot air. You can also use an ordinary hairdryer. If the glue is warmed up, it dissolves better and you can remove the rear glass more easily. The easiest way to remove the back glass is to use a flat and flexible tool like the iPlastics or the iFlex. Heat the spot where you start and insert your tool between the back glass and the frame. If you're not able to find a gap, you can also try pulling the back cover up with a suction cup. Be especially careful as the back glass can break easily. If necessary, try several times and warm up the glue again in between. Removing the back cover can take a while. Better take a little more time and work carefully not to break anything. Once the tool is inserted, insert a plectrum into the gap to keep it open. Then pull the tool around the entire edge to gradually loosen the glue. Then heat up the next spot where you are working and gradually insert the other picks. Don't push the iPlastics too far into the device. At the side of the standby button a flex cable runs along the edge. If the back cover is detached everywhere, lift it slightly and fold it to the side. The fingerprint sensor on the back is still connected with the cable. Loosen the adhesive strip on the cover plate. Then remove the cover above the connector. The cover is only slightly hooked in with the red rubber part. Then carefully separate the connector with a spudger and remove the back cover. Now the battery connector is exposed. Loosen the two transparent tabs on both sides of the battery. Next, loosen the green tab and pull it until the battery comes out. Pull carefully so that the tab doesn't tear. Be careful not to bend the battery. The battery is not particularly strongly glued. If the adhesive is still difficult to remove, you can heat it from the display side. Never heat the battery directly. Put the battery in its place and make sure that it has some space on all sides and is not pressed against the frame or other components. The battery contact should be directly above its slot on the mainboard. Stick the film back onto the battery on both sides. Connect the battery to the main board. Place the back cover next to the device. Position the cable of the fingerprint sensor over its contact on the mainboard and connect it. Place the cover with the red rubber piece and reglue the black tape. Before you finally close the device again, you should test it. Turn on the device and check the screen first. Slide an app along the edge and zigzag it across the screen to make sure that the touchscreen responds properly at all points. Also test the minimum and maximum brightness. Test the front and rear cameras in the flash. Call someone to test the microphone and earpiece and try the fingerprint sensor. We replaced the broken back cover of our device as well. The instructions for the back cover replacement are linked in the video description. You can reuse the adhesive still present on the frame and back cover. Make sure it is distributed as evenly as possible and remove any glue that has wrinkles or protrudes. Heat the device again to soften the glue of the back cover. Press the back cover firmly onto the frame of the device. For example, clamp the device between a few books and give the glue an hour to get really tight. The repair is now finished and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, suggestions or hints, please write it in the comments below. We will be happy to help you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.